The railroad industry is not a safe place. I mean, you have 170-pound men who are working next to locomotive engines that weigh many, many tons. And as a result, there's a tremendous risk that people on the railroad will have serious injury. Well, over a century ago, Congress recognized this and passed a law known as the Federal Employers' Liability Act. It's a powerful law. What it says in a nutshell is that if a railroad is going to put people out to work, then that railroad owes their employees a responsibility. And that responsibility is to give them a safe place to work. If they don't meet that responsibility and you're injured, then you're entitled to recover not just your lost wages, you're entitled to recover the full measure of damages that the law allows. The railroads are darn good at defending these cases. They've been doing it for over 100 years. They go out and hire the best lawyers money can buy. They don't pinch pennies on defending the cases. They do everything in their power to make sure that they win the case. And if they sense for a second that the lawyer on the other side is weak, if the railroad sense for a second that the lawyer on the other side isn't going to go to trial, then they will cut their offers down to a pittance level. Our firm has been handling FELA cases for 32 and a half years. The reason I say that is because I tried my first FELA case the day after I got my bar results back, and I haven't stopped since then. I've tried cases for railroad clients in 17 different states. I happen to have the record for the largest FELA verdict in the history of the United States. I got a gentleman $34.5 million in a case we tried in Birmingham, 12 years ago. It was the largest verdict at that time. I think it's the largest verdict still to this date. One of the great things about hiring our firm to represent you is it's a no-risk proposition. If we don't win, you don't owe us anything. We advance all the costs of the case, we handle everything, and we wouldn't do that if we weren't pretty darn sure that we're going to win your case.